I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Wahai Dodhi Satria, ya Pak, aku nikahkan engkau dengan anak kandungku Rishaq dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat dan sebuah gelang emas 10 gram tunai. Saya terima menikahi anak kandung Bapak Rishaq dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat dan sebuah gelang emas 10 gram dibayar tunai. Barakallahu bi wa laka wa baraka alayka wa jama'a bainakuma fil khair. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make.